As you approach the River Thames from the south side, the road begins to descend gradually, guiding you towards one of the busiest and most iconic crossings in the UK, the Dartford East Tunnel. This tunnel, paired with its twin, the West Tunnel, forms the essential Dartford Crossing, a lifeline that connects Kent to Essex and keeps the M25 moving day and night. The East Tunnel, opened in 1980, was built to ease the pressure on the original West Tunnel, which had already become overwhelmed by the ever-growing volume of traffic. What many drivers don't realize is that the tunnels sit deep beneath the riverbed, carved out to allow millions of vehicles every year to pass smoothly under the Thames. The engineering behind them was seen as groundbreaking for its time, combining hand-dug sections, mechanical excavation, and reinforced linings strong enough to withstand the pressure of the river above. As you make your way deeper inside the East Tunnel, the atmosphere shifts. The bright daylight fades behind you and is replaced by a warm, yellow-toned glow from the tunnel lights guiding you forward. The hum of your engine echoes gently off the curved concrete walls. You feel this sense of transition, a movement from one place to another, not just in distance, but almost in mood. The tunnel has that effect, a moment of pause before the world opens back up again on the other side. Drivers often forget just how much coordination happens behind the scenes here, from ventilation systems that constantly monitor air quality, to cameras that watch over every meter of the tunnel. The Dartford East Tunnel is a highly controlled space. Traffic officers track the flow in real time, ready to respond within seconds if anything disrupts the movement. Even the height restrictions are carefully managed, with electronic detectors that stop oversized vehicles before they can enter, keeping everyone safe. As you continue your journey, the slight curve of the tunnel guides you naturally towards the exit. You start to notice the light ahead, growing brighter, signaling your return to open air. And as you emerge from the East Tunnel onto the northbound side of the M25, there's always that small moment of relief, the shift from enclosed space to a wide horizon. Whether you're heading towards Lakeside, Tilbury, Grays, or further into Essex and East London, this crossing marks a transition point for countless journeys every single day. But beyond the engineering, the Dartford East Tunnel symbolizes movement, connection, and rhythm. For many drivers, it's part of the daily routine. For others, it's a rare experience when traveling across the UK. And for people like me, who document the journey, it becomes part of the story we share with viewers, showing the roads, the structures, and the real-life motion that keeps this country flowing. If you've enjoyed this narration and you want to see real-time drives through places like the Dartford East Tunnel and many other routes across the UK, I welcome you to watch Drive with Jumanne. Join the rides, enjoy the scenery, and subscribe for more authentic UK road experiences.